Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start immediately by sampling. Pick 3-5 pivotal passages from the book and highlight repeated words or images. As you read, mark page numbers and write a one-line observation beside each highlight so you can track recurrence. Once done, scan your highlights for patterns of conflict, desire, or change. Make sure to capture characters' reactions and language shifts. This early evidence collection speeds analysis and prevents guessing. It gives you concrete clues to test as you form candidate themes. Now continue by grouping the highlights into clusters: motifs, symbols, recurring conflicts. You should trace at least one central character arc and mark turning points where choices reveal values. Then, assemble 3 strong supporting quotes for each candidate theme and explain briefly what each quote shows. As you do this, compare how motifs and character choices intersect. This overlap is why a theme matters rather than what simply happens. Make sure to keep transitions clear, so evidence directly supports a specific claim. Finish by converting clusters into concise one-sentence theme statements that assert a claim about human behavior or society. Once drafted, test each theme against 2 apparent counterexamples in the text, revise to accommodate nuance or to narrow scope. Then write a final thesis and map which quotes and scenes will support each point in order. If you get stuck, troubleshooting tip: return to the strongest passage and ask, what belief does the author assume here? That often restores focus.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.